G'day YouTube, I'm back with another video. Today I want to talk about pet therapy. I should have spoken about this when I did the emotional toolkit video, but nobody's perfect. Can't remember everything. But before I get into the pet therapy part, I want to show you my cool shirt that I got today. Got another one, but I'll show you that in the next video. I thought I was going to have to get my cat, but he's here. He must have known. Yeah. The whole idea of pet therapy was something that was actually given to me by a psychologist that I was seeing, kind of at the beginning of my journey, or close to the beginning of my journey. And I saw her about anxiety and depression, and also coping with the effects of PTSD. And we got to talking about my cat, and she said to me that as part of the therapies right at the beginning, I think it was the first or second time that I saw her, she said that she wanted me to spend 5 minutes every day just patting my cat. It was 5 minutes to start with, but she wanted me to try and get up to 10 or 15 minutes a day. And I was so busy and stressed out and living a really hectic lifestyle at the time that the thought of spending that much time just patting my cat just stressed me out. I felt anxious sitting there in the office talking to my psychologist, just thinking about that. Just the idea of spending 5 minutes a day playing with my cat, because I felt like I felt like I needed to be doing something all the time. I thought that, that wouldn't be productive time, and I didn't deserve to do it, or I don't know. I guess what I was thinking was, because of the way my brain works and because there were so many things about the world that I didn't understand, I used to feel like I needed to understand everything, like I needed to know about how the whole world worked. And then eventually I'd get how hierarchies work and how interpersonal communication and relationships and all that sort of stuff works. And so I have been quite an avid reader all my life. It's a bit of a sidetrack, but I want to show you something. See those books? That's all my non-fiction books, except for the encyclopedias, which are in the middle of the screen there now. I have read a great deal of all those books. Some of them I've read all the way through. Others are like uni textbooks, so I've just read most of them. That's my non-fiction books over there. But the point that I'm making is, I was obsessed with knowledge, and I was spending all of my time at home. If I wasn't exercising, I would be reading or researching, and I used to create all of these spreadsheets to predict different things and create probability models and all sorts of stuff. But I started, I took my psychologist's advice, and I started spending 5 minutes every day, and it was hard at first, but I made sure that I spent 5 minutes just patting the cat, and I would get up and go and do whatever. And now it's just something I do. If I come home from work and I'm feeling particularly stressed out, like I did today, I was just worn out after the week, and I came home and put my stuff on the counter, I always do, and just went and started playing with my cat and chasing each other around the house. I got a bit sidetracked there and thought I should start again. But the point that I wanted to make is, pets can be really relaxing. My own pet relaxes me. I'm glad that my psychologist suggested to me to start enjoying the benefits of pet therapy, because it helps me every day, and especially on those days when I am particularly peopled out. It's just such a zen feeling. It's like meditating. And yeah, so if you've got a pet and you're having problems with anxiety and depression, I think that they could become your best therapist. So yeah, enjoy the benefits of pet therapy. Well, I'll wrap it up there. Thanks YouTube. See you next time.